Good morning. Start the day right. Happy day. Happy eat. Happy morning. We're here at Black Bear Diner. Said, it's not complete a day without breakfast. So, ayan. Alam ko, maraming yung nagko-comment that they always see me like in the breakfast. Guys, sa umaga, yun talagang ating morning routine is to eat our breakfast. Diba? Wala kang energy the day or the first day na wala kang breakfast. So, importante talaga ang kumain ng breakfast in the morning. Yan ang aming kinakain in the morning. But the lunch, dinner, mga light-light na lang. Talagang breakfast is really important in the morning. Pero mga kinakain ko na mga kagaya ko, like eggs and more on veggies, siyempre, good food is a good medicine, right? So, ayan, kain lang tayo in the morning. Yan ang importante kasi it start the day right. So, magkakaroon ka ng more energy sa umaga pag kumakain ka sa umaga ng breakfast. Ayan, nandito kami sa Black Bear Diner. Kumakain ako ng aking avocado, what's that? Avocado bread and everything. Ayan, good food is a good medicine. Ayan ang kinuha ko. So, yung in-order ko pala is spinach, avocado, whatever, I forgot talaga. So, ayan, masarap siya. Si Mark naman, omelette with hash brown on the side and fruits. And fruits for me, so hindi nawawala ang fruits. Like whatever I told you, makain ako ng fruits. Pero yung fruits ko, hindi yung mga masyadong sugary. So, tama lang. So, a little bit of fruits is enough for me. So, ayan guys, good food is a good medicine. Start the day right. Huwag niyong kakalimutan kumain sa umaga kasi yan ang importante. Minsan yan ang energy natin. Minsan nanghihina tayo pag hindi tayo kumain sa umaga. So, ayan. Siyempre, trabaho ni Mark hindi madali. Mabigat ang trabaho ni Mark. So, a lot of motion. Maraming ginagawa. So, kailangan talaga ng more of breakfast. Thank you for watching. If you like this content, bye guys. Let's eat. Have a great day. Happy Monday, everyone. Smile.